Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am beedee and today I'm presenting a video showing you my winter relaxing pedicure routine equipped with Eucalyptus and Spearmint scented products. I know it has been a very long year, and with the days being shorter and the temperatures dropping, it is important to make sure that we are taking good care of ourselves. And if you're looking for a way to pamper yourself, hopefully this video will help. So let's jump right into this video. To start, I will be using the Aromatherapy Stress Relief Body Wash in the Eucalyptus and Spearmint scent from Bath & Body Works. I'm going to add this to my pedicure spot and get the bubbles going. Next up, I'm going to use this Dr. Teal's Eucalyptus and Mint Bath and Body Oil. It helps with moisture and it actually has a few other oils in it, so I wanted to make sure that I had a very nice and luxurious pedicure bath. For an added bit of relief for my muscles and to release some stress and tension, I'm going to add some Epsom salt to the water, and then I'm going to soak my feet for about 5 minutes before I start to remove my polish. And now it is time for cuticle care. I like to use the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. I've used this in all of my pedicure videos, and I just apply this to the cuticle area on my nails and I let it sit for about 15 seconds, and then I start to remove the buildup and excess skin. And this is what the nail surface looks like after I have worked with the cuticle removing gel and my tool. And now it's time to just kind of get that off. So I just dip my foot back into the soapy water and use a little nail brush to get any of the bits off. And any bits that I cannot get off, I'm going to go ahead and use another cuticle removing tool to trim around that edge. As you can see, I did have a lot of buildup, and I like to get that off because that makes for a nice smooth surface when it is time to polish the nails. And here I'm just trimming them down. I don't like my nails to be too long, so I just trim them to a nice length, and then I'm going to shape them with my nail file. To finish with nail care, I'm going to buff the surface with a buffing square, and then it will be time to exfoliate. I will be using the Dr. Teal's body scrub in the Exfoliate and Renew Eucalyptus and Spearmint scent. Here is a close-up of the texture. As this is a salt scrub, it is nice and finely milled, and I'm just ensuring that I get this all over my feet, paying special attention to my heels as they tend to get more dry in the winter time. To moisturize, I will be using the Jergens body butter in the Eucalyptus Mint Calm and Renew scent. This was a very mild eucalyptus scent, but I really liked it, and the body butter was very creamy, very smoothing. My feet felt so soft after using this, so I would highly recommend you try this product out. None of these products that I'm using are sponsored. I purchased them all with my own money, and I just wanted to share some things that you can not only use for your pedicure, but you could also have just a relaxing spa day with a nice shower or bath using any of those products, because they're not specific to feet. And here I will be using the Gel Strong Kiss polish that I purchased from the dollar store in this beautiful emerald green color. And I'm just removing the excess body butter from my nails with an alcohol swab. I'm making sure that I take my time here so that I can have a nice clean application. And if I notice any spills or leaks, I just make sure that I go in with my fingernail to get those up before they dry. To finish, I just decided to add some crystals to my big toe, and I'm going to add a layer of clear top coat to all of the nails, and that is basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this is something that you will try this season. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content and like this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.